Okay, here's a good example of a problem where it would be helpful to solve it using system of equations. So the first thing you have to do is look from the question itself and try and sort of find the two categories that you're going to look at. Hockey received 2 points, won a game, 1 point when they tied. One sees a team won a championship with 60 points. That's amazing. NHL, they get over 100. Anyway, 60 points. Um, so that means, uh, oh, so 60 points. So 60 points. And they won 9 more games than they tied. So they won, uh, 9 more games. So the one is equal to the lost, oh no, tied, plus 9. So if you take the number that they tied and add 9, you get the number that they won. Now, I wanted really just to say my wins plus my ties give me 60 points, but the wins are worth 2, so I can't use that as a formula. Oh, but the wins are worth 2 points, and the ties are worth 1. So if I go 2 times the number of wins plus 1 times the number of ties, that should give me 60. Yeah. Okay, good. So now I've got two equations. I can solve them either elimination or substitution, whichever you want. This one's already solved for W. I might just take that equation and plug it in right where I see a W in that equation. So let's go 2 times W, I'm saying is T plus 9, plus 1T is equal to 60. So 2t plus 18, that's a 2t plus 18 plus 1t is 60. And then 2t plus 1t be 3t plus 18 is 60. So 3t is equal to whatever 60 minus 18 is. I'm calling it about 42. And so when you divide both sides by 3, you come up with 14. So the number of ties are 14. Now I can plug it back into one of those original equations, like this one, plug in what I got for ties. So my ties are 14 plus 9, so it had to be 23 wins. So that's how you do that one. Let me just do it with elimination too, just because I like elimination. So I'd have to rearrange that first equation. I might rearrange it as, say, W minus T is equal to 9. And the second one is 2W plus T is equal to 60. Notice in this case here the T's are the same coefficient. One's minus and one's plus, so I can add the two equations. So W plus 2W would be 3W. Minus T plus T cancels. And then 9 plus 60 would be 69. Dividing both sides by 3, and you get W is equal to 23. Same. And then I could plug it back into one of the original equations. I guess I just have to subtract 9 from that, and that would give me the number of ties. Okay, hopefully that gives you a good example of that question.